you can change footer memo in your blog. Okay, when you choose most of the free themes, actually themes leave some his identity at the footer side, right? Like this, right? So it can be some vulnerabilities, and it will be danger for your blog also, because due to this one your blog gets chance to be hacked. So we can change this one. So let's start how we can change this one, right? So we can output custom copyright. So to do this one, you need one plugin in your website. Okay, you can see my another blog. I change copyright myself. This is my free theme, this is color mac theme, right? So I change myself. So this here also you can change. So to change, go to your cPanel. Login. After then you have to set up one plugin name, add new, real time find and replace. Yeah, this is the plugin, first one by Marios Alexandru. Okay, so install this plugin, activate this plugin. Okay, after you activate, refresh your website. So after you go to tools. Okay, you can see here find and replace. Okay, so you have to find out where this word is available in your blog. So this thing we should find in our theme. Okay, theme debugging. So to find this one, we have to go and view. It displays all the coding of our web. So just find. So just see here what is here. Theme by Scissors theme, right? Source by theme, or powered by anything. You can search here what is available. Powered by, proudly powered by, you can search this one. Yes, this is the one. So it is starting from, from theme by Scissors theme. Yeah, so you should copy from starting this one till at the inside of deep. Okay, then copy this one. Okay, after then you go to just create one page first, simple page just for our coding. Okay, after then you can delete this page, no problem. So you can write here copyright. Copyright at right. So this is visual mode, so you need text mode. Okay, text mode, just copy this one, again go to tools, find and replace. Okay, after then go to find and replace. Okay, so here you can add bottom side, you can click here add. So we need copyright to this one, our custom copyright, replace with this one, right? So we need to change is this one, we have already selected, copy paste, right? So you can see a theme by Caesar's theme, right? It will be changed now. So just click on update. Alright, now let's see it is changed or not. Yes, now it is changed. Copyright at Vinita Group. Thank you for seeing video. If you want to see such video, please like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you in next video.